Inflation and appreciation. That's our topic on today's Backstage Pass. Well, hey there, friends. I hope you had a wonderful weekend this weekend. The week is getting started off on kind of a mixed footing. Stocks are up today so far, but mortgage bonds, well, they're down right now after being down in the morning, then up, then down again, and just kind of having a little bit of volatility on the mortgage bonds right now. At the end of the week on Friday last week, mortgage bonds started out lower, but ended the day after a nice rally higher. So we had a nice rally on Friday, saw some repricing for the better throughout the day. We were hoping that that would carry over into today, and it kind of looked like it might, but it so far just hasn't materialized yet. So mortgage bonds, they're down about 11 basis points at the time of recording. The 10-year yield is up about 2 basis points at the time of recording. Now, the national average for a 30-year fixed rate mortgage, well, that's coming in at about 7.3%, but that was earlier. We could see some repricing for the worse if there's no more improvement in the bonds, and so we could be inching a little bit higher off of that 7.3% number. Now, as far as news goes this week has got a fair amount of economic news, but the two that we're really going to be watching and paying attention to, first one, earlier in the week, we're going to see appreciation, and that's going to come in the form of the Case-Shiller and FHFA home price indexes. Those are both coming out early in the week. And then we've got PCE, that's personal consumption expenditures. This is the Fed's favorite measure of inflation, and that's coming out on Friday. Now, you know, unless there's a big miss on PCE, we don't expect a lot of movement from the markets on PCE because the market's already reacted to the CPI inflation data that we got a couple of weeks ago. So again, unless PCE is just off the charts in one way or the other, we don't expect to see a lot of movement from PCE. That said, this market right now has not always gone along with expectations, been a little bit defiant in some points and sometimes. So we'll have to wait and see what happens. But hey, kind of short and sweet today. That's all the news that we have for today. As the appreciation data comes this week, we'll be bringing that to you along with PCE on Friday. But for now, remember to stay positive, have a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow.